What are you doing? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. God, it's so annoying. It's time for elimination. Let's see who will be eliminated. We'll depend on who should get out and see out what should we do in this episode. Here we go. These are It's time to see who will be eliminated. But, Color will be safe, so it's mountain. Also, it's baseball. Blue hands is eliminated. Tasty. Boom. The next contest is go farming with me. Alright, you gotta catch a lot of animals. If you don't catch any cows or pigs or chickens, you'll be up for elimination. Now go. And this time, 3 people will be getting minutes for this episode. I got one. Me too. We're best buddies. We could do this forever. I found one. Dude, I didn't find any animals. Me either. No way. Oh dear God. No way. We can't. What's he want about? I'm thirsty. I'm gonna go to the store and get some juice. Don't mind remote. I'm out of gas? What's going on? What's in the gas gauge? It's empty. Who used all the gas? Sorry, dude. I had to go to a reading class today. But then when I came back, I ran out. The car sputtered and then ran out of gas. So yeah. So that's the air probably now. No, go to this shop. I'm not gonna pull it to the gas station because gas. Jesus Christ. For baseball, mountain, hoverboard, and Luna Loud. Once again, the most focused illegal show.